Hello everyone, I'm going to talk you through how to install the speed control box on your original trimmer. The speed control kit for your original contains a speed control box, the motor, pulleys, a belt, a 13/64 drill bit, a drill template, screws, and wing nuts. You will also need the toolkit provided with your trimmer. Note that the following required tools are needed but not provided: 5/16 Allen wrench, a drill, flathead screwdriver, a ruler, and an optional punch tool. Start by making sure your trimmer is turned off and unplugged. Remove the belt cover. Using the 5/16 Allen wrench, remove the 4 bolts holding the motor. Once you are about to remove the 4th bolt, hold the motor with your other hand. This way you will be able to remove the belt easily. With the provided Phillips screwdriver, remove the 4 bolts holding the switch faceplate. Then remove the 2 mount screws. You can now remove the motor and switch box. Install the new motor and lock in place with the 4 bolts. Use the supplied drill template and place it on the side plate opposite the motor. You can tape the guide onto the side plate. You can use a punch tool to precisely mark the holes. Use the provided 13/64 drill bit and drill 2 holes on the side plate. You will need to install new pulleys. You can use a rubber mallet to tap the pulley on the shaft. Using a ruler, make sure both pulleys are properly aligned. Lock with the 2 set screws. Repeat the process for the second pulley. Now you can install a new belt. You can use a flathead screwdriver to guide the belt inside the pulley's groove. Install the control box using the 2 holes that were drilled and secure with the provided screws and wing nuts. Connect the control box to the motor. Note the pin on the plug. Reinstall the belt cover. The speed control box is not waterproof. When it is time to clean your trimming system, unplug the speed control box and remove it using the wing nuts. If any of these steps do not work, do not turn on the machine. Call tech support at 604-458-0341.